ジューサーでジュース作ります。最近のお気に入りの組み合わせで、こんなにカットしなくてもいいんですが、りんごも丸ごと入れても大丈夫なんですけど、硬い。ちょっとヘタのところが、この辺りが綺麗に洗えてない感じがするので、ちょっとカットしてヘタのところを取り除いて入れます。ヘタのとこだけで OK。ガンガン入れちゃいます。今のお気に入りの組み合わせはりんごと人参、パプリカとこのレモンと生姜多めに。ソフィーが飲むときは生姜ちょっと少なめにします。はい、レモンも1個入れちゃいました。で、生姜はいつも適当な大きさにカットして冷凍してます。はい、OK。もう1個いっちゃおう。いいよ。いきましょう。
Is it my birthday?
Yeah. Wait,
the Xgimi Mogo 2 Pro.
Yes.
Somebody loves me. Alright, here we go. A box within a box within a box. At least it's safe though, right? There we go. Wow, that's a small box. It's a really small box. Ready? Christmas come early. So small. That'd be kind of cool. It means you can probably travel with. Oh my goodness, that's even smaller than I expected. Right? Oh my goodness, that's really small. That's pretty cool. Should I tear the sticker off? Remove it to be beautiful. No stickers on the front. Wow, that'll be interesting to see how it holds up on a wall, on a big wall, you know? That'd be really cool to take it with you when you're traveling.
Good job. Eren.来ました。シナモンロール。フロスティングがすごいわ。Huge.
Looks like they forgot the frosting on them.
休日
No glaze.
シックしたらクッキーズ、美味しそう。ストロベリーを買います。2ドル99。でも1つが59セント。なんかこれ色が
It's a big, right?
買います。ツナ缶ゲット。
Moist.
イースターのものがたくさん。かわいい。いろんな色、黄色、グリーン。うわ、ハット。どうでしょう。今日は簡単なの。はい。できました。何お外行く？ OK。
Okay, who are you?
Which one am I? Oh.
I'm always Yoshi.
I'm thinking Monty Wolf.
Kai always like to steal my Yoshi roll.
I wanted Yoshi, but you guys always fight over Yoshi, so.
He's a good guy. I don't care what they say. He's a good guy.
I just forced you to give it to me so I could do it.
All right, ready for the high fives?
I got this.
Yeah.
Sophie won?
Good job. Yeah. Oh, it's kind of cool how it puts it in like a. Kind of looks interesting like that. Hey, buddy. I love you too. It's really pretty, huh? Yeah, baby.
My surprise face. No, I'm looking at
Oh, what? Oh, I guess you got it. Yeah, baby.
Let me get in the picture.
I already slapped when you're running up to stop you. Oh no, I didn't get it at all.
Yeah, I lost it.